Hello everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge. Like I said in the previous video, spring's just around the corner. We're starting to get geared up with a bunch of Chargers. We have a 2023 Dodge Charger GT Plus. It's got quite a bit of options in it, right? So first of all, you got the blacktop package, what gives it all blacked out, no chrome on it. This yellow thing comes off when you buy the car. I see a lot of people leave it on, but it's just for transport, so you should take that off. If you come around this side, I'll show you a few things. So you have a blacktop package, you have technology group, you have navigation and travel group, you have Alpine audio group, power sunroof, compact spare tire. There's quite a bit of stuff about this vehicle, guys. Come around to the back. Lots of trunk space in here, so you could probably load a golf bag or two in here, get quite a bit of stuff in there, groceries, stuff like that. So it's a good vehicle for your family, but also you can have a little bit of fun with it as well too. So coming inside, I'll show you guys some more. Hello everybody, welcome to the interior of this Dodge Charger GT Plus 2023. Have a few cool things about this. So for safety features wise, you have blind spot monitoring. You also have adaptive cruise control and lane departure. And then when it comes down to some of the technology, you have super track pack mode. You have heated seats, you have a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, you got memory seating for 2 profiles, so you can have up to 2 drivers that have profiles. 8.4-inch screen, you got a sunroof in here as well too. And then you also have HomeLink where you can program up to 3 garage doors. Lots of room in the back. These cars are super cool. If you have any more questions, please feel free to call me, 780-278-2423. Chad Davis, and St. Albert Dodge. Have a nice day.